In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Slack. Whether you're managing a project, coordinating with your team, or simply organizing information, tables can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can effortlessly add tables to your Slack communication. First, you'll want to navigate to Slack, open your workspace where you regularly engage with your team, and on the sidebar, you'll notice the areas you're most familiar with: channels, direct messages, and apps. This vibrant interface is your command center for productivity and teamwork. Next, you're going to create something new. Move your cursor over to the essential Create New option. Clicking this opens a world of possibilities, laying the groundwork for you to tailor Slack's functionality to your needs. It's your gateway to bringing fresh content to your workspace, a familiar feature if you've crafted messages or channels before. Once you've hit that Create New button, it's time to select Canvas. As you may know, the Canvas feature in Slack is designed to be flexible, letting you build a space for gathering information and presenting it in an orderly manner. It's a fantastic way to capture and display content without the confines of a traditional text message. With the Canvas ready, typing implied table is your next command. This feature is Slack's shortcut for inserting a table directly into the canvas. By typing this intuitive command, you signal to Slack that you're ready to bring a structured layout into your communication. It simplifies what could be a complex input process into a single, effortless step. After entering the command table, you'll see an option appear. Choose the table suggestion to bring up a new, empty table within your canvas. This step might feel like magic as your blank canvas transforms into a grid, a space you can customize to your heart's content. The table will start with a simple structure allowing you to quickly input and organize your data. Each cell is there for you to fill, whether it's meeting times, project statuses, or any data you need to keep track of and share with your team. The simplicity of a table can make information much more digestible at a glance compared to long blocks of text. Now you have successfully added a table to your Slack workspace. This can make a real difference in combating clutter and enhancing clarity. Updating, resizing, and customizing are all at your fingertips to ensure the table meets your specific needs. Congratulations on mastering the technique to insert a table in Slack. This simple yet powerful tool can transform the way you share and manage information within your team. Watch as your workspace becomes more organized and efficient, allowing your team to work smarter rather than harder. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see how you utilize this feature in Slack.